Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a live chat or an inbox in your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to open up your computer browser and head on to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. Now once you're in the Shopify, go to login, or you could actually sign up right here if you still don't have an account. Now I'm going to click on login because I already have an account. Now all I have to do is select the account or select the store that we want to set up our live chat or inbox with. Now once you have done that, this will lead you to the Shopify dashboard right here. So all you have to do is to search for a third-party app. Now to do that, all you have to do is go to search right here in the search box, or you can just simply go to apps right here and search for Shopify inbox. Now once you have done it, it will lead you to the App Store, and these are the results right here. So make sure to enter this one, or to click this one that says Shopify Inbox, that has 4.4 star reviews and it is completely free. So just click on that and click on Add App to actually add the application to our Shopify store. So I'm just going to click on Add App right here and make sure to integrate or to authorize or to add sales channel to your Shopify. So click on Add Sales Channel right about here. And now it will redirect you to the login again. And it will say choose an account where you want to do that. So I'm just going to click on the account again, and boom, there you have it. We have now integrated our Shopify inbox to our Shopify store. So as you can see, I'm just going to pin this real quick. And there you have it. We have now integrated our Shopify inbox to our Shopify store. Now to actually do that, start setting this up, all you have to do is go to Manage Settings. I'm just going to click on Manage Settings right here and make sure that the online store chat is on. So for now, I'm just going to turn this off because we will be setting up our live chat or inbox. So I'm just going to turn this off real quick. And now first, under the button, customers start a chat by selecting a button that's overlaid in your store. So you have the option whether to choose whether or not what type of button you want to have. So you can have this button right here, or you can have this button right here. So I'm just gonna select this one right here, and you can actually select the positioning of where the button you want to have. So I'm just gonna select on the bottom left right here. Now under the color, you can actually select a color right here. So as you can see, this is the preview of our live chat. So for example, if I'm going to choose, let's just choose a blue one right about there. Or you can actually choose any color that you actually want. Now underneath right here is the greeting, so right here. So you can actually edit this one like, hi, welcome to my store. Send us a message for any details right about there. So you can see this is a preview right here. So the best thing about it is if you edit this one right about here, you can actually see the preview right here. Now next is the instant answer. So support customers proactively by providing automated answers to common questions. So this lets them get answers immediately without needing to write a message. So the best thing about instant answers is you don't have to be online all the time, so you can actually answer the questions of any customer. So you can actually set up a question or some FAQ, some frequently asked questions from your customers, and you can actually add an answer right about there. So for now, let's just say distract my order. So just turn this on right here, and now you can actually select this one right here, like create instant answers. So I'm just gonna leave this page right here so we can actually create an instant answer. So questions. So for example, do you offer free deliveries? So the answer, let's just say yes, we offer free deliveries. Yes, we offer it for a minimum order amount of, let's just say $30. So all you have to do is to click on answer right here, or you can actually just save right here, and it will automatically be saved right here. So next is to go back, and there you have it. We actually have 2 instant answers right here. So if you want to create an instant answer again, all you have to do is to select create an instant answer right here, and enter a question, some frequently asked questions like, do you offer free deliveries? Can you track my order? Or can I chat with someone else right about there? So it's actually up to you. And next is to pre-chat form. So if a customer leaves the online store during a conversation, your response will be sent to the email provided. So if you have so if you want to do that, you can actually just check it right here. If you don't want to do that, you can actually don't check it. So it's all about up to you. So next, once we have done it, as you can see, we have now set up our chat settings. Next thing we want to do is to select quick replies. Now, quick replies is create a pre-written message to make replying customers fast and efficient. So these are, for example, some quick replies provided by Shopify inbox. So like thanks, some greetings, some products, and some orders. So if you want to do that, let's just create quick replies right here. And the shortcut title, for example, let's just say time about here, and you can actually select our time for, or let's say our operating hours is 24/7, but we do deliveries in the morning around, let's just say 8 a.m. until afternoon around, just say 5 p.m. So once you have done that, just click on save. So this is really up to you. You can actually add whatever you want right about there. So next is the notifications. So I'm just gonna head on the notifications right here. So you manage notifications for yourself only. So we have a bunch of notification types. So we have mobile and desktop, and you have some email notifications. So let's just send test notification right here on our email notification. So test notification has been sent. So let's just go to our email integrated to Shopify. So as you can see right here, this is the test notification from inbox, or from Shopify inbox. So I'm just going to click this one, and as you can see, once a potential customer will actually send you a message, it will notify you via email. So as you can see, here's your test notification from inbox. This is a response to your inbox settings, etc., etc. So next is the notification triggers. So specify when and how you want notifications sent. So when you've been assigned to a conversation, you can actually have a push notification or an email notification. So when a customer sends a message, you have actually a push notification also, and some email notifications. So when a message has been unread for 15 minutes, you can actually have the ability to do so right about here under this notifications. So once you have done that, just click on save anywhere right here if you have made some changes. So as you can see, that's it for this video, and it is very simple and it is very easy to set up your Shopify inbox. So if you have any questions, suggestions, or even some comments regarding on the video, just feel free to comment it down in the comment section box below. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!